everybody, just made a $31 American General AIG sale and wanted to talk a little bit about when to actually pull guaranteed issue out of your bag. Kind of an exception to the rule for the most part. Totally against writing guaranteed issue, pays such a low commission, paid as earned, really terrible for cash flow. But what would be a circumstance that you would actually go ahead and pull some guaranteed issue quotes out of your bag? This is one case that I felt like I had to in order to make the sale. Situation was the gentleman already had two kind of expensive Transamerica policies. Sound like they were both return of premiums, paying about $99 a piece. When I went through, the reason why the guy had scheduled the appointment, why am I out here today? He was like, I kind of don't know, I filled this out, kind of just playing dumb. Now, these are brand new lead cards, so this guy just mailed this back. So typically when somebody will pull the, I have no idea why you're here on me, I will go ahead and pull the 3 reasons and you pick one. So the 3 reasons are, some people mail back this card because they don't have any insurance. Some people mail back this card because they have some insurance, but because things have gotten so much more expensive, they need a little more. And some people mail back this card because they have insurance, but they feel like they're paying too much. Which one of those do you feel like describes your situation best? And I went through those 3 reasons, and then he immediately was like, well, I guess I could get a little more. So kind of narrowed that down, getting that objection out of the way. As we got into it though, finding out, he's already spending about $190. I already know he doesn't have probably a lot of room in his budget for additional life insurance. He's got terrible health, COPD, CHF. So getting him even through graded or modified with Prosperity or even Transamerica, it could definitely bounce back just because of the amount of, well, he's declined from Transamerica anyways because he had sleep apnea in addition to the COPD, and that's a decline question. So just kind of, thinking through that, basically I knew I had to show the most competitive rates that I possibly could. Hey, this is a really good deal. You're already paying $99 for $10,000. I can write you $10,000 for $60. So he lit up knowing like, oh man, I found a cheap policy. I was kind of hoping, fingers crossed, to get one. Otherwise you wouldn't have mailed in the card and scheduled the appointment. So ended up just being a $31 American Income Life sale. Again, that's not typically the route I would go, but because he already had so much money allocated for insurance in his budget, he could have definitely pulled the I don't need it card. Basically I showed him a really good deal and he's like, this is too good to pass up. And I was able to make the sale for, at least pay for my leads, pay for my gas, pay for that lead and pay for the gas anyways. So hey, hope you guys are doing good. Get out there and make some sales, make some money. Talk to you later.